It's the things we love most that destroy us.
We're live!
It's the things we love. It's the things we love. We